Is this guy freaking shitting me? What are you even trying to do?
It's vanities and toilets, the best lighting. From chandeliers to outdoor lighting, flush, semi-flush lighting, and more. Save at least 20% on everything, including already discounted clearance items. All display items. Tell me you were ready for the big jump. I'd be your last love.
Your cars still look drivable, like you couldn't move them to the side of the road?
My phone rang at the exact same time and I didn't recognize the number, and my husband and I, we went silent, and I answered, and then there was a second or two before the call fully connected and my heart stopped, and it was a recording from Direct Energy.
That was not... That was not a good idea.
Book your appointment today.
We promise to give you as much music.
Why does this person... Jeez, it took you forever to get moving.
In studio, outdoors, and at home, so you can get more out of your membership with Orange Theory.
This is not a two-lane road you were supposed to yield.
With our best offer of the year. Visit us at orangetheory.com.
Is this guy freaking shitting me? What are you even trying to do? Well, I mean, my first guess would be that you're making a U-turn. I don't even think that's a parking spot. No, it's not. You just stopped in the middle of the road. Good thing I changed lanes.
BrokerLink HDF, this is Doug.
Doug, how you doing?
Oh, great, thanks.
You know, I think I saw you walking your dog the other day.
Could be. All our advisors live in the same neighborhoods as our clients.
On a summer evening, and it sounds like a song.
Podcast group.
Isn't that was a one-way street there? You were just going the wrong way.
Manual recording will now start.
reflection, and he was like, so I keep the bowl to remind me not to lose my temper. No, I keep
Oh, I
it
should
so I
have just
can
gone.
throw it
You're
again
gone.
when I'm angry.
Can you go?
It's my chucking bowl.
Come on, you can do it.
Shandy also called me about this conversation of the time you
I
threw
don't
something
think-
at somebody. And
Oh,
Shandy
she must have
told
thought I had the
Paul
right
is
of way.
going
But I
to
wouldn't
start
though.
new
That's a main
conversation.
road. I was pulling out of a
Listen to her
parking lot.
story and then we'll begin.
Okay, so
Oh, we're
In
totally on the
700
wrong
meters,
side, pal.
turn right at Wagner
Totally
Road
on the wrong
Northwest.
side.
Turn right on 106th Street Northwest. Then turn right on 83rd Avenue Northwest. Turn right on 83rd Avenue Northwest.
Good thing I wasn't going straight.
Manual recording will now start.
Oh, yep, and you're gonna run it too.
On site.
Everyone knows what kind of person drives a Jeep.
Rugged.
Rugged.
Adventurous.
Adventurous.
Now, how was that a good idea?
Responsible.
Fiscally wait, what?
To the break of day. Dance with me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock
I just want the couch to come, okay? Anyways, what's the silly thing that you cried about?
Call Marika and Brendan 489-4669. Join the conversation. Now radio.
angry, I'm angry. Whenever I see someone crying, I'm crying, or I'm happy, or they're happy. So it was just like, I was
Oh,
out at
dear.
Walmart
We've
one
got
day with my
intersection
friend,
blockers.
And then I see this lady crying for.
What are you doing? Oh, I see. You're backing into the spot, but why weren't you moving though? Like, couldn't you have done that before? You were just stopped there when I turned in.
Touch the ground and then back up because we couldn't land safely. And due to this, half of the plane threw up, as did my husband. The second time it was a successful landing, but like it was.
I don't think you have a stop sign. No, you don't. Old lady.
This one has no name behind it, but it says when I was pregnant with my second, my first.
Wow, you are so stupid.
Says is that I was in university at the age of 16. We got a Doogie Howser here. 489-4669. Leo, are you getting in on this?
Yeah, fun fact. In between.
Now, what the hell were you two doing in the road?
In 400 meters. turn
Not a
left on
frickin'
114th
crosswalk.
Street Northwest.
Find exactly what you are looking for. HomeSense. Endless possibilities. Perfectly priced.
Hurry, hurry. Step right up and get your vote to help light the midway at Fort Edmonton Park. Offering thrill seekers, both young and old alike, to experience about.
It's time for us to take it to the next level. Why not change your radios at home to 1023?
No, I don't need that $1,000. I already got it. Yeah, Michelle's got it.
You peasants.
Now radio. One drag off a cigarette, now we did
I swear to God, it does not end with these pedestrians today.
Kids all vintage, just a couple